Hey you guys, it's Erin. Last week I promised you guys I would have my brownie batter mousse recipe done, and it's delicious. I'm so excited to share it with you. I really love sharing these types of recipes because so many people think that you can't eat delicious food and still eat clean. And you can still have amazing desserts, amazing snacks, and tons of delicious food that really nourish your body, heal your body, and are just wonderful for you so that you can lose weight, you can have better energy, you can improve your metabolism, just all of the things that we all want, and improved energy. So this one is a really healthy dessert that I love. I had it 2 days ago and probably 1 or 2 times last week as I was practicing the recipe, and it's delicious. So this particular recipe, like most of my recipes, is full of protein, and this one, because it uses chia seeds, is really full of omega-3s, fiber, all these wonderful antioxidants, and there's a bunch of other superfoods we'll talk about. And this recipe in particular only really has like 6 to 7 ingredients depending on what you choose to use, because some are optional. So it's super easy, and it's just, there's no baking required, so it's lovely. Okay, so let's get on to the recipe, and I will post the recipe below, I promise. And if you guys like recipes like this, be sure to give me lots of likes and loves and share the recipe once I post it and the Facebook Live is over. I would love it if you'd share them. So for the brownie batter mousse recipe, you're gonna start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and I actually am using 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and it's really yummy. So you're just gonna, this is all one bowl again. You guys know I like efficiency. Quick and easy, efficient. Okay, so that's 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And then you're gonna use, this is one of the magic ingredients, is chia seeds. And chia seeds, actually, the word chia actually means strength. So it's gonna give you this big, huge boost of energy. It's full of omega-3s. It's got a bunch of protein. It has a bunch of antioxidants, which we know antioxidants help fight inflammation and is very healing to your body. And it's full of fiber. So it's just an all-around really great thing to use in recipes if you can. You can use these in smoothies too. So I have 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So I'm gonna put that right in the same bowl with the almond milk. And then the next one is, and you guys know this by now if you have seen any of my videos, the cacao powder. I have 2 tablespoons here. If you don't like as strong of a chocolate taste, you could use just 1 tablespoon, that would be fine, but I'm using 2 because I love it, and it's a magical superfood because we've talked about this before, but cacao actually has more antioxidants in it than blueberries, and it actually is a natural mood elevator, and it can give you a really great energy boost, unlike caffeine, because you won't get the jitters with it like some people get with caffeine. So it's just an all-around great superfood, and it tastes delicious. So okay, next ingredient is, this is one of the optional ones. So you can use, if you want to add a little bit more protein to this, you can add a tablespoon of protein powder. So I have a tablespoon of unsweetened chocolate protein powder here. So I'm gonna put that right in the same bowl too. And let's see, what's next? Then we've got another wonderful superfood. I have 1 tablespoon of raw pure honey. So you're just gonna put all that in. So no processed sugars here. Raw honey is not gonna increase inflammation in your body. It's actually very healing to your body. So let's see what else. And then we've got, a teaspoon. I love adding cinnamon. This is also optional if you're not a cinnamon lover, but I highly recommend you try it because cinnamon, again, is an anti-inflammatory, and it helps to lower your blood sugar. So it's really, really, really wonderful, and I love the taste. So I'm gonna put that in too. And then we are going to just mix all of this together. You're gonna mix all this together until you just get a nice, even liquid consistency. So it's not gonna look like batter yet. It's gonna be like a liquid consistency. So, okay, so now that we have that liquid consistency that we want, we can add more yummy ingredients. I'm going to add, 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips. I use Enjoy Life dark chocolate chips. You don't have to use those specific ones, but if you do, when you do buy the dark chocolate chips, try to make sure they're 70% or more cacao content. So you don't want much lower than that, because then the sugar will be too high and that can cause more inflammation in your body, which you don't want. That's the whole point. So I'm going to add that 1 tablespoon, and then I love adding cacao nibs too. So I'm going to add those, and the cacao nibs I only add about 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, and then you just stir those all in. I'm probably going to make a mess. That's why I have a towel here. But you just basically, once that's all mixed in together, you just pour them into a pretty cup or a ramekin. This makes 1 to 2 servings, so I'm not going to pour all of it because I don't want to make too much of a mess here. Basically, once it's all in this cup, you're going to put that in the refrigerator. I cover it with saran wrap, and you just put it in the refrigerator. You want to keep it in there for about at least an hour, or overnight's even better, just to allow it to set and get to that mousse, creamy, yummy consistency that we all want. So let's see. And then once it's done, I actually have the finished product here. Yummy. I can come up and kind of show you. So this is what it looks like. And it's so creamy and yummy. It's mousse. It's so delicious. And then what I do, as you could probably see, I added some more cacao nibs and dark chocolate chips on top, but you can put whatever toppings you want. Sometimes I put more cinnamon, sometimes I'll put unsweetened coconut flakes on there. You could even make a coconut whipped cream, so with coconut milk and top of that on there, very delicious. So whatever you want. Sometimes I'll drizzle maybe like 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Anything you want to make it even more yummy, but it doesn't need anything on top. It just makes it look pretty. So, and I love it because you put them in these little cups. Sometimes I'll bring like 6 of these to a party, and people love them. So let's see. Okay, so I just was super excited to share this with you because I've been working on it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, be sure to comment below that you enjoyed it. Share this video. Give me lots of likes and love when you share it. And just realize that you really can eat clean and still have delicious food. Like I said, this is going to increase your energy because you're not causing inflammation to your body or your skin. You're going to notice clear skin. Your metabolism is going to improve. You're just going to feel amazing. So I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want more recipes like these that make you feel and look amazing, you can just click the link to my 10-minute detox meals in the comments below. My free gift to you. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next week. I'm not sure what I'm doing next week, but I promise to be back, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.